Writing an essay for the CSS, Central Superior Services, exam requires strong analytical and communication skills. Here are some tips to help you excel in CSS essay writing.
Understand the question. Carefully read the essay prompt to ensure a clear understanding of what is being asked. Identify key keywords and concepts. Plan your essay. Take a few minutes to outline your essay before you start writing. This helps organize your thoughts and structure your essay effectively. Introduction. Start with a captivating introduction that provides context for your essay topic. Clearly state your thesis or the main argument you will be making in the essay. Body paragraphs. Each paragraph should focus on a single point or idea related to your thesis. Provide evidence, examples, and arguments to support your points. Ensure smooth transitions between paragraphs to maintain the essay's flow. Clarity and conciseness. Be clear and concise in your writing. Avoid unnecessary jargon or overly complex language. Use straightforward language to convey your ideas effectively.
Evidence and examples. Back up your arguments with relevant evidence and examples. This adds credibility to your essay. Use statistics, research findings, historical events, or real-life examples where applicable. Counterarguments. Acknowledge opposing viewpoints and counterarguments, but refute them logically with evidence. This demonstrates critical thinking and strengthens your argument. Conclusion. Summarize your main points in the conclusion, restate your thesis, and provide a concise summary of your key arguments. End with a thought-provoking closing statement or call to action, if appropriate. Time management. Allocate a specific amount of time for each part of the essay: planning, writing, revising. Stick to the allotted time to ensure you complete your essay within the exam time frame. CSS essay writing requires practice, critical thinking, and effective communication. With consistent effort and adherence to these tips, you can improve your essay writing skills and perform well in the exam. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more educational videos, please.